Proposition 22 would consider app-based drivers to be independent contractors and not employees or agents. Therefore, the ballot measure would override Assembly Bill 5, AB 5, signed in September 2019 on the question of whether app-based drivers are employees or independent contractors. AB 5 established a three-factor test to decide a worker's status as an independent contractor. The three-factor test requires that 1. The worker is free from the hiring company's control and direction in the performance of work. 2. The worker is doing work that is outside the company's usual course of business. And 3. The worker is engaged in an established trade, occupation, or business of the same nature as the work performed. Proposition 22 would classify drivers for app-based transportation and delivery companies as independent contractors, not employees, unless the company sets drivers' hours, requires acceptance of specific ride and delivery requests, or restricts working for other companies. Independent contractors are not covered by various state employment laws, including minimum wage, overtime, unemployment insurance, and workers' compensation. Instead, independent contractor drivers would be entitled to other compensation, including minimum earnings, healthcare subsidies, and vehicle insurance. Prop 22 would restrict certain local regulation of app-based drivers, and it criminalizes impersonation of drivers. A yes vote on Proposition 22 supports this ballot initiative to define app-based transportation and delivery drivers as independent contractors and adopt labor and wage policies specific to app-based drivers and companies. A no on Proposition 22 opposes this ballot initiative, meaning California Assembly Bill 5 from 2019 could be used to decide whether app-based drivers are employees or independent contractors. Here's the official coalition list in support of Proposition 22, most notably including DoorDash, Lyft, Uber, Instacart, and Postmates. Here are some arguments in support of Proposition 22. Here's the coalition list opposing Proposition 22, most notably including Gig Workers Rising, We Drive Progress, U.S. Senators Kamala Harris, Elizabeth Warren, former Vice President Joe Biden, Speaker of the Assembly Anthony Rendon, and many more. Here are some statements in opposition of Proposition 22. Proposition 22 is the most expensive proposition, with almost $200 million being spent. If you would like to learn more, please feel free to visit these resources and links that will be in the description box below. Please feel free to share this among your friends, family, and others as we get closer to Election Day. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.